swear to God, if anybody wants any sudden rain for watering plants or anything like that, let me know in the comments below, because I'll just get the camera out, because I've literally been out here 5 seconds. It's paying it down. Right, so taking off the front bumper is the first step in me taking the subframe out and repairing all of that rust. Now, this should be quite a simple process. It's a one-pager in the actual manual for the car. There are a couple of screws just down here, Phillips head ones, a couple just inside the wheel arch that hold the wing to the front bumper. There's another 5 along here, and then a couple underneath, and 2 T50 Torx ones just either side of the license plate. So, yeah. Now, because I'm not getting this up on a ramp or taking the wheels off, I'm going to turn the wheels just in slightly on each side, just to give me better access to just inside the wheel arch. Well, make yourself useful then, go get a spanner or something. So now that I've turned the wheel just in slightly, a couple of Phillips head screws just inside here, and it's such a relief to be able to work on such a simple task today, because I've done so much with the engine. It's nice to come to a nice easy project. So annoyingly, it's not a simple job already. Just inside here there's a screw, a Phillips head screw, and it's rusted, so I can't get in there. So I'm going to jack the car up, take the wheels off, take the liner out, and then hopefully I've got better access. Honestly. So just inside the wheel arch we've got another posi bit screw there. We've got another one just down here, one just up here, and then one just down in here as well. So 4 more. This one's interesting. Not as easy to get in the grips on the screw, which is really rusty. Give it a go. See how much work we've got to do on this. And with the liner gone, you can see how much build-up of crap there's been behind the plastic, and it's just sat there wet, damp, and you can start to see why these go. All this is going to have to be cleaned out properly. So now that the liner's gone, I'm probably going to remove this wing, because it might give me better access to see inside what's going on, but it's going to be easier to treat this wing for rust off the car than on the car, so I'll take them off at some point. So with the wheel arch liner removed, it should be easier to get in and see. Okay, so the two screws, we've got one just back here and one just in here. This one is to take this wing off, which we will be doing a bit later. Alright, so with the 4 screws around the sides out, there's a couple just under here, and they're accessed from the inside out. Right, so for this one I'm using a 1/4" ratchet with a 1/4" socket on a posi drive bit. There's 2 screws just here, and you can just about get it in. So there's 2 T50 Torx bolts on the front, either side of the number plate, and you could take them off using a ratchet, but I'm not going to be using a ratchet. I'm going to be using this because it's been fighting me all morning, and now it's time for payback. Rawr. Right, all that should be left to do now is take out 5 screws along the top, and I'm going to be using a stubby impact with various extensions because I don't have a impact driver. Okay, so everything's undone. So it should be a case of just sliding it off. Well, that's the front bumper off, and it's nice to get it off and start the second leg of the journey of restoring this car in getting the subframe out and tidying that up and repairing various bits and bobs on there. As a bit of a thank you to current subscribers, I just want to do a quick giveaway. Nothing too fancy, but I did order some parts for when I was working on the engine in all the previous videos that I never got around to fitting, or they were the wrong fitting and they didn't fit. So I'm going to do a bit of a giveaway. The description will say everything about how you enter. It should be quite straightforward. It's a genuine thermostat for the engine. Product number on this is PEL 10016, and it was from xpart.com, so you can look that up. It also comes with the genuine thermostat seal, which is also PEF 10010. So yeah, if you have a look in the description, it'll tell you all about how to enter, free of charge, free postage, everything like that, and the winner will be announced in the next video. So thanks for subscribing, and hopefully seeing you in the next one.